Okay, now let's get more serious into datasets. Now we are going to be importing datasets from different libraries and we are going to examine them. And then we will see how we can display them and depict them. The first thing I want to talk about is a library that is called Seaborn. Now Seaborn is a more advanced, Seaborn is a visualization library where we can create really beautiful diagrams. And we are going to see how we can do that. Also, Seaborn contains a lot of ready-to-use datasets. And today we will be introducing the Penguins dataset. Penguins dataset contains information about different penguins species, about the dimension of their organs, about the relationship between their body mass and different parameters of their body, if they are male, if they are female. Well, it's a really interesting dataset which we will be working with now. First thing, we need to import Seaborn as SNS. Now, if you got an error, probably you need to install Seaborn first. We will open Anaconda prompt and say pip install Seaborn. And after we're done, we can use it immediately. Now, I'm gonna also import pandas. Now let us load this predefined dataset. I'm gonna say dataset is equal to sns.load dataset, and then I'm gonna say penguins, and I wanna print this dataset. As you can see, we have 344 elements of this dataset, and it contains species, island that exist in, bill length, bill depth, flipper length, and body mass, and sex. We have all of these information. Now, how about we examine all the dataset? I don't want to just see a chunk of it. We've done that before when we learned about pandas. We're going to say pd.set_option, then say display.max_row, and then we need to pass none here. PD is not, pandas as PD, and we're good. Now this is my whole dataset. As you can see, as a species, we have the Adelie species, we have the chinstrap species, and we have the Gento species. Now, let's explore these species. I have already Googled it for you. Here we have the chinstrap, this is the Ginto, and this is the Adelie. See, there is differences between these penguins. Also, this is the body parts. Here we are saying that we have the flipper and the bill. What is the flipper? Well, the flipper is actually the arms of the penguin. Now these are the flippers here, and we have the bill, which is this one. Alright? Alright, and by that we have introduced this nice dataset.